How to unsend a message on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To unsend a message on TikTok, first and foremost, launch a TikTok app in your device. Make sure that you are signed in into your account. Now over here, to unsend a message, tap on the inbox button. Then head over to the conversation in which you wish to unsend a message. Now over here, what you need to do is you have to press and hold on to the message. At the bottom, scroll until you see the option of delete. You need to click on the delete button, then tap on delete for everyone. By this way, you'll be able to unsend a message on TikTok. However, make sure that you have sent a message within 3 minutes. After that, you won't be able to unsend a message. Wasn't it quick and simple? If you do not have such feature, you need to update your app. To do so, launch a Google Play Store or App Store, tap on the search icon and search for TikTok. Over here, if you see the update button, just tap on the update button to get such feature. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.